In this guide, I will show you step by step how to deposit your money in OctaFX. So friends, log in your account with your all information. After that, follow these steps. Click deposit option. From this deposit option, select your where to use. For example, you want to deposit Dogecoins or Litecoins or Skrill or Tether USDT TRC20, for example, this one. And then click proceed with the proceed with Tether. Click on this option. From here, choose your amount you want to deposit. For example, 100, guys. Choose any amount you want to withdraw or deposit, sorry, and then copy this address, and you can use any platform to make exchange to your this OctaFX. Just copy this address and you can use, guys, Binance, for example. You can use transfer money on your Binance. Just connect your account with your this one, log in your account with Binance, and then you can deposit. You can choose another method, for example, Skrill. You can deposit through Skrill. Just choose the amount and then click continue. From here, choose your continue option. After that, write your all details such your account and to send and then make a deposit. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you.